how to find display control panel settings on your store on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your store display control panel settings. First open your browser, and then once you're here all you need to do just click settings, and now go to this one here, scroll down until you find display. Now just type here display and then click on it, and now just scroll down, scroll until you find here, this one, control panel, and that's it. Manage here until new ones and then click save. And I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.